Learn the 4-7-8 breath and pass it on. Today's practice is called the 4-7-8 breath, and it was developed by Dr. Andrew Weil from the University of Arizona Integrative Medical Center. It's one of the most effective breath practices that I've ever come across. Let me explain this breath practice before we begin. I will lead you through it so that you don't need to remember the count. First, we will inhale for a count of 4 through our nose. Then we'll gently hold that inhale, if it's comfortable to you, for a count of 7. And then with a soft, slow, we will release the breath through our lips for a count of 8. This is the hard part, taking a count of 8 to totally get out the exhale. And then we pause. The next breath round will come in naturally after that pause, and we'll do this together. It's a very effective breath for addressing anxiety and nervousness. This breath activates the vagus nerve, which relaxes your mind and various organs throughout our body. Before we begin, let's sit up straight, not uncomfortable, just upright. Look down at your feet. Relax your legs. Relax your feet. Relax your entire lower body into the seat of the chair. Allow the floor to hold up your feet and the chair to hold up your torso. Totally relax your lower belly. Close your eyes if you are comfortable and bring your attention to the rise and fall of your chest while breathing normally. Relax the muscles of your face and your shoulders. Rest your hands on your thighs. And one more time, bring your attention to your belly and allow it to totally relax before we start the 3 rounds of 4-7-8 breath. Let's begin together. Inhale for a count of 4 through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gently hold for 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice the pause. Allow the next breath to happen. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gently hold for 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gently exhale for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause. Allow the next inhale to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gently hold for 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Return to your natural breath. Relax your belly. Relaxed and clear. Ready to start your day. The best part about the 4-7-8 breath, it's easy to remember Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8, and it's available to you whenever you need it. Dr. Weil recommends 3 to 4 times a day. I like to do it upon waking, then when I need it during the day, if I'm nervous about something, and then I do it right before going to sleep at night. It is a breathing practice that is so worth it. I'm hoping that you've learned how to do it and that you will pass it along to those you love.